This is going to be a review of this CNC router. It's made in China. It's from the Quick factory, and it's the UA481 type, and that's the most heavy-duty CNC router that they produce. This is the 2130 model. It has a linear tool changer of 12 tools, and the reason that I'm making this video is because I have had this machine since 2018. I have visited them in China, and I have visited quite a lot of factories just to get a real interesting view of all the different factories, their capabilities, and to see not their marketing department but their production floor. And the last few months there are quite a few videos on the internet about different companies telling how great they are. And I just wanted to show you that there are quite a few details on CNC machines on the companies in Jinan, and why I have chosen for this machine, and I think that it's vastly superior to a lot of the other machines that are sold. Yes, this machine is more expensive, but if you make a side-by-side comparison, and I had two machines, I had one CNC router from Blue Elephant and one CNC router from Quick next to each other. There's a big difference in build quality. This machine, if you're gonna spend some money, spend a little bit more and buy something that is amazingly built, and it's working for me day in, day out, sometimes 40 hours a week, sometimes 20, but when I turn it on, it works. I haven't prepared this. I'm just gonna talk about whatever I like about this machine, and then I'm gonna tell what is, in my opinion, the build standard and what the difference is. So why this machine stands out. I must be honest, my English, with all the corona pandemic stuff, I haven't been abroad in a while, so my English is a bit rusty. But understandable, I hope.